Couple of days ago, I posted a video showing you guys a project which has so much potential to go explosive soon as it goes live, but some of you guys in the comment section mentioned Sky. This project is well established. Can you show us something that's just starting off and maybe I can throw a couple of hundreds of dollars and that's going to turn into a couple of thousands? Well, that's exactly what I have for you today. If you are paying attention to the crypto market, you can see that Bitcoin has made the recovery from 66k. We have rebounded back to 68, and this is definitely going to be marking the bottom, and now we are going to be making higher highs. If you look at Dogecoin, it's still holding very strong, close to 14 cents, and the meme coin market is still growing really fast. So this is probably the perfect time to buy Flockerz. Now this token is really interesting. First thing first, this token is still on pre-sale stage. Only $1 million have been raised. If you ask me, by the time the pre-sale comes to an end, just in the pre-sale, I feel like the market cap is going to hit $10 million. So that's already a 10x, and that's what I believe. Now, the purpose of this token, it's a revolutionary vote to earn platform. Puts the power in your hand, but early pre-sale now. And you know what's the crazy part is if you guys do decide to buy the token and you decide to stake it away, right now the return you get is about 1,600% per annum. Obviously, this is going to go down as more and more money is going to flock into this token. But if you do decide to be an early adapter and decide to lock it away for a little bit, this is going to be a very good opportunity. On the other end, you can see that the future of decentralization has arrived in a chaotic PvP world of meme coins where every key decision is made by a single leader, empowers its community known as a flock to guide the project to the promised land. And the best part is, if you do decide to vote, you will be getting a good return. The king bird accidentally became one with his degen and discovered the true power of the people. And then the story determined that no single leader should be leading the future, and that's when this happened. In simple terms, right now they want to get their audit done. The audit is done, and let's just say there is no problems at all. After that, pre-sale takes off, which is happening exactly right now. So step one is accompanying very well. Then get the marketing in, and they do want to boost it out as much as possible. Expansion, single boost or signal boost, domination, and then the kingdom expansion. Vote to earn mechanism will be implemented. If we talk about the tokenomics, early bird catch is going to get 20%. So these are the 20% of the nest is aside for those who scooped during the pre-sale. And 25% is for the people who are going to be taking rewards. 25% is going to be for the treasure chest, 10% for the exchanges, and 20% is going to be spreading the word and all the tweets with everyone that's pretty much trying to help the token do better. If you do want to purchase it, it's actually very simple. You just need to click the link in the description. It will take you to this website. After that, you just need to connect your wallet, and then you can just put in how much Ethereum, if you're going to be using Ethereum, you want to convert into Floxy. Right now, the price is one Floxy is 0.005 or about 6 cents, and the price is going to go up in just under 2 days, or if we do decide to raise more. So it's definitely coming up very quickly. Their Twitter account is still quite small, only 2.7k followers, but their following is not the biggest impact because the amount of viewers they're getting. This post was made a few days ago, and you can see 26,000, so the reach is pretty good. This is about 10 hours ago. 1,000 views. The Telegram has just about 1,600 subscribers, so you can still tell that this token is in a very early stage. If you do decide to buy it, maybe I'll make a video about this in a month and you will understand that this token has made it to some new highs, which will make you feel like you missed out on an opportunity that you should have gotten in early. Personally, if you ask me, the opportunity is right now because this is the lowest price that you will ever be able to see. As the pre-sale is going to start stacking up and up, it's obviously the price is going to start climbing as well. If you do want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have a great day and hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you soon.